Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can implement update or put request. But before that, I want us to make a slight change on the DB. I want us to add a column called account status. This will keep track of the status of our account. So I will say alter table bankingdb.account add column account underscore status. This account status will be boolean. Default will be false, so that every time you create an account it needs to be activated. So now you will see that all these accounts have got 0, which means they are not activated. 0 means false. So I will come to my account, create that field, private boolean account underscore status. Account status. Yes. So now I will create an API to update a record. So I will go to an account service. So I will create a method public account update account record. So inside here I will pass account as the body of my payload. So the very first thing I will do is to check if a customer exists by an account. This is the code that we have written earlier on. So no account record was found. So I will say account dot, should we pass this as a path variable? So we can pass this string. You can still get this account dot get account number. Now, if not existing account dot is present, return 404. Else, existing account dot set existing account dot get dot I want us to update only account holder's name. So this will be account dot get account holder name. So we are setting dot set dot get. Actually we are setting dot set account holder's name. Let us set this account holder's name to this. Then basically I also think we can create a payload here. Instead of passing everything, we can create a payload that will go and just do the update. So basically after that we will say account repository dot save. So we are saving existing account dot get. So we are saving existing account dot get, and this we return. So basically what I am saying is this: we can create a payload. So I want us just to update, we can update account holders name. We cannot update balance. Account type, let us also update the account type. So I will say existing account dot get dot set account type. So it will be account dot get account type. So basically I'm saying, instead of using this, I will copy all these fields and create a custom request. So I will create a request package, new Java class, we say request. This is the name of the package, dot account request is our Java class. So you see there is a request class and an account request. So this one, I just want to update account holder's name and account type. Just like that, those two. No any other thing will be updated for now. Then I will say add getter, at setter, at or args constructor, and at no arguments constructor. Now I will use this account request. Instead of this one account, we'll use account request. Just like that. But now I will have to pass a variable int account number. So yes, for a particular account number, update this information. So now let me go back to my account controller. Remember, this just a basic program to show you how to do CRUD. This will be put mapping. So this is accounts slash account number. So this is update customer. This has a path variable. It should also have at request body. So I will pass account request. Just like that. This is path variable. So it will update where account number is that. So this one dot update account record. So I have to pass this account number. I also have to pass this account request, like that. So that is it for this class. So basically that is how we do the put request. I want us to go to the Postman and see how we can construct this request. So I will duplicate this, create an account. So at this point I will put this one, then the body. What will I put in the body? Account holder's name and account type. So account holder's name, I want this to be Simon Atkins, and this account is for savings account. So if I send this request, see method not allowed, so the method should be put. So that is how we execute the update. So if we go back to get a single customer, 1 or 2, initially it was regular and Albert Smith, but if I get this, you see it has been updated to Simon Atkins, and it is of type savings, So that is how we do an update for an account. We are not going to do a delete. Instead of doing a delete, I think what we are going to do is just to disable an account. So disable means that setting the account status to false. So basically, for example, let us go to our service class. If we go to our service class, we are going to call this method here, but instead of update account record, we are going to say activate account record. We are going to activate. So now this one, we don't need, we only need an account number. We don't need this. We first of all begin by checking. So then existing account dot set. So I just want to set existing account dot set to true. So I will set account status to true and then save. This is for activate account. Then instead of developing an endpoint to disable account or to delete account, I will just say disable account. So for disabling account, we are just setting the status of that account to false. So that means that it is not active. So let us go to our postman correction, rather our controller, and take these two methods. So here it will say account slash activate slash account number. I don't require request body. I only need a path variable. So I will say activate customer account. So this one, activate account, and this one I am done with this. So this one will be put also. I create another one, but here disable. So this one I will say disable customer account. Then here I will say disable. I recall disable customer, activate and disable. So now let me run and execute this code. Basically what we have done, we have created an endpoint. Remember, whatever the record that is being returned here, the account status is false, meaning that by default, once an account is created, it is not active. Another person like an admin will have to go and activate that account or approve that account. The moment that account is approved, maybe the approving is just activating that account so that it can be used. So basically what I will do here, I will reuse the same this one. So I am going to duplicate this and instead of this, so I am going to say activate slash account 200. So activate account /200. So and I don't want anybody, so if I send this request for not found, why is API v1 not found? Resource no static API activate accounts API v1 accounts. Oh, it should be account /activate account /activate activate. Yes, now let me activate this account. It has been activated. Now the account status is true. If we go to get single customer account, you can see that the account status is true. Let me remove this copy, rename. I also want to activate I also want to duplicate this, and then instead of activate here, say disable this account. Let me disable it. So now it is disabled, and if we go to get a single customer, this account active status is false. So that is how we do a simple CRUD for the account. Now after this tutorial, we are going now to handle the transaction, and in that I will show you how to write some custom JPA, some custom query on the JPA. So assume you want to write your own custom query instead of relying on JPA method. I will show you how to write some custom JPA queries, and I will also show you how to optimize those queries for performance. Remember, in software engineering, whenever you are developing a system, it's not all about that system working. First of all, you have to check several factors, one of them being performance. Is it working? Yes. Is it optimal? So I will show you how to optimize for performance. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like those videos and share the videos. Bye. See you later.